Coming in probably the back door of the house. This is the kitchen area. Solid timber kitchen units. Brings you over into kitchen dining. Is the dining reception area. Dual aspect. Good views of the estuary to the front. This is the solid fuel stove. This is the heating for this side of the house. The one on the other side has one as well. So again, look out of the house straight out into the estuary. Coming out of the kitchen, we're into the front door and out in the hallway. This is a full ground floor wet room, fully tiled ceiling to floor. This would have been the kitchen, the second house, very similar to the other one. And again, second reception area. Again, dual aspect. Similar stove and heating. This heats this side of the house. And front window again with the estuary view. So that's all the ground floor. The stairway. Landing area and access to all rooms. Again, this bathroom, fully tiled. This room to the front, currently used as a sewing room, could be bedroom, all built-in wardrobes. Again, estuary views here to the front. Another bedroom to the rear, currently in use as an office. Another bedroom. So this is one side of the house, essentially 3 bedrooms. We're just moving across to the other side, in storage space where the other staircase would have come up. Bathroom. Bedroom. This is all polished, tongued and grooved timber flooring, built-in wardrobes. If you go at the back, bedroom to the rear, hot press, bedroom to the front.